YouTube, what's popping? It's HeyAngee, not Angie, and I am back with another video. In this video, I am going to be styling my locks. A few of y'all that I know personally was saying that the last Watch Me video where I did the pinup with the petals was a little bit too hard, so I'm doing something real simple. I'm going to do like a little side bang with a little bun, something real simple, real cute, straight to the point. A little bit about my hair. I had a retwist a month ago today, like exactly a month ago. It doesn't look that bad, so I am not going to be doing any like retwisting or nothing like that. I'm just strictly going to style my hair because I'm trying to let this retwist last me until next month on this day. Like, yeah. I think that's it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions or whatever, drop it in the comments. Let me tell y'all what I'm about to be using, and then we're gonna get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this, which is the leave-in conditioning spray. I like this. I got it from Burlington, TJ Maxx, one of them. I got me some castor oil and some other kind of oil in here as a blend that I'm going to be using to moisturize my hair. And then Do Grow, I've been using this on my edges. I think it's working, I don't know, but I'm going to keep using that. And then y'all know I use Eden Body Works Control Edge Glaze. I love this stuff. This is really what I use, so yeah. And then a bunch of rubber bands and scrunchies and all of that. So yeah, let's just get into it. Y'all know I don't be talking too much during these videos. I got my computer right here. I got something playing that I'm gonna be watching, so I probably won't be looking directly at the camera. Yeah. Let's just get into it. Ta-da, we did it. Did it. This is what it's giving. My bun needs some reassurance, so I'm going to probably put some pins in it and stuff, get it together. But other than that, this is where we at with it. I did like a little crisscross thing here, but being though my hair not freshly retwist, I don't know if y'all can see all that. I'm gonna try to give a 360 on what I got going. And yeah, that's really the end of this. It was real quick, easy, straight to the point. Let's see. Bye.